You say your prayers? You say your prayers? Okay. Okay. Thank you, God, for letting me have my new human. And thank you for letting me have my new house. And thank you for letting me have some food so I'm not hungry anymore. And thank you for having a roof so I don't get wet when it rains. And thank you for letting me have somewhere to go when it's cold so I'm not cold anymore. Jake. Jake. Yoo-hoo. Jake. I'm talking to you. We're talking to God. Come here. We're saying our thank you prayers. There. We're saying our thank you prayers to God. And yes, and thank you for letting me have somebody that will rub my belly. And thank you for my kitty Gracie. Yes, where's Gracie? Where is her? Hey. Thank you for letting me have air conditioning when it's hot outside so I don't get so hot anymore. And thank you for the treats that the neighbor gives me. And let's see, what are you sorry for? I'm sorry for stealing the squirrel's peanuts. And for eating the redbird's sunflower seeds. You don't even like them. You just want to eat them so they won't have them. And thank you for letting me have a big yard so that I could chase the boys on the bicycles around the yard. Yes. And thank you for the fence so that I don't have to go and live on the streets anymore and get hit by cars and stuff. Yeah. Thank you, God. I thank God for my boy. You're so big. He's so big. He's so big. Who is that? And thank you for my mommy who doesn't beat me very much. And when she does, I wag my tail because it feels good. Okay, amen. Amen. Say amen. Amen. Raise that hand. Amen.